Hey guys, welcome back. Jared at 3C's Recreation. It's an exciting day. Finally got our first roof, windshield, and rear window combo kit in. You might think it's funny. So if you want to install a front window on your Z-Force with these new machines, the new Z10s, the cooling is not here in the front. The cooling is actually between your shoulders, between the driver and the passenger. So if we were to put a window on this thing, we're going to block all that airflow right into that radiator. So CFMoto came out with a whole kit. It's a 3-in-1, like I said, roof, front window, rear window. And the reason is there's this whole hood scoop that's going to go on top of the roof. If you are doing a roof only, they give you a cool sunroof, so it's kind of this little guy, and it would just be in the middle. But anytime you put something on the front, we now need to get air down into the cooling there. So we're not really going to show us installing it, but we're going to show you the finished product. So I'll bring it in, I'll show you real quick, and then we'll show you the finished product. Like I was mentioning, these new Z10s, there's no cooling up here in the front. It's all way back here. You can see that radiator right inside of there. And so the whole goal here is this is our roof. There is the sunroof. If you were not going to do the scoop, when that comes out, you're going to put the scoop in. And so the roof would go on, no, actually it's windshield first. So there's our windshield. It's a clear poly hard coat, and its box of goodies are behind it there. Next would be this roof, again, with either one of these two pieces in it. And then this is our rear window. There's really not much for a rear window on these things. It's pretty funny. And then this is that whole scoop. So we're going to install all this, then I'll come back. We'll show you how small this rear window really is. There's really not much of an opening there, so we'll be right back. Here it is. The guy's got it all wrapped up. So for the windshield, it comes off. It's got 4 clips, 2 on each side, 3 bolts down the middle. Now this whole package took about 2 hours for those guys to put on in the back. It's their first one. Maybe it'll go a little quicker from here on out. Got the metal roof on here, and look at that scoop. It's going to grab that air right there and throw it right down into where it was open before. And then you got that back window on there. And if you're wondering, like if you're riding slow, if that's going to be enough, look at these massive fans right there that are sucking air in constantly. And so we'll give you the back view of this thing. I apologize, it is mega windy all of a sudden out here. And you really got to rely on your backup camera on these. There's really not, you cannot look over your shoulder like you do in any other side-by-side. You really got to have that backup camera doing its thing all the way down through. So thought we'd give a quick little preview. It's going to be a big accessory, a big talking point, because everybody's going to want a windshield, and we're going to have to explain you got to do a roof and a hood scoop. So thought we would just put it in video form. This is Jared from 3C's Recreation. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. We'll see you on the trail.